It's a cloudy day and the sky is gray, making it look dull and plain. Let's take a trip down memory lane. In my high school years, I was in need of aid, cause the way I was headed had me going in no direction. So many questions in my mind. What's the purpose of life? Was I destined to be under the limelight? How do I know what I'm doing is right? Show me a sign so I can be relieved from this nightmare people call dreams. Our reality isn't paradise. Fools won't hesitate in sending you to the afterlife. These streets are mean, filled with thugs and crack fiends. Be aware of your surroundings. Not every human being is trustworthy. The majority have two faces.
Coffee and kush for breakfast, they seem to go along so well. Thought my day gotta save the world. I'm some superhero motion picture. Grab your newspaper, I'm coming through with the latest news. I'm on to productive things to do. I'm to the rescue, on my daily life I like to dance around. Feel the rhythm of the music to the drum bang. Outgoing, out to travel the world. I'm bringing a refreshing breeze. You will get a feel, and so more real. Unafraid of anything, no weakness. Who's around, life's good. Live every day like the weekend. Celebrate my existence. Go wait to end the day listening to your boy Eddie Gently.
Yo, just cause I'm a rapper don't mean I chase ass or living luxurious with champagne in a glass. I'd rather remain how I am, but live more around nature. A quick meditation on the earth of the creator, building a greater bond with the infinite. All of this filled with hypocrites who judge over the simplest of things. Don't listen to what they say, let them talk. Karma will handle it when they're off guard. These people make life hard to live. Who am I, the kid? I know all of y'all relating to this. That's always been my intention since the first time the mic and I were imminent.
Every day like it's the weekend.
Yeah.
Every day like it's the weekend.
Yeah.